Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I am here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. I know it's been a while. We haven't been able to put too many videos up lately. We do appreciate everyone who's been sticking around and watching. But today, yeah, we've just figured you might want a little bit of a check-in before we get started. Things have been a little more crazy than we are accustomed to. It's summer, boys are home. This week we have VBS, which means every night, you know, between like 5 and 7, the kids are at church doing their VBS thing. We've been able to go out and have a nice dinner alone so far without the kids. That's been kind of nice. Yeah, we've been trying to get caught up on a lot of the stuff that we've been putting off over the past few months. Today I got all of the seats out of the bus, out of the schoolie build. So we're actually going to be ordering a huge dumpster to get rid of all that stuff, and been cleaning the garage. There's a lot of stuff in there. Just been a kind of a crazy week. We've been just getting caught up on everything. Kathy's been up here getting the office in order. You can see that table section over there. That's all the stuff that we've been putting off. Just the different stuff, awkward stuff, and we're trying to work our way through it. I know
a lot of that was from the bins. When I do a bins haul, it takes a long time to like get it listed.
Yeah.
I have been working through a lot though. Yeah. I have got a lot listed, honestly. It just looks, I try to make it look organized, but
yeah, I mean,
a little bit crazy up here.
Otherwise, it's very organized up here. We've just been, dividing and conquering.
Yep, so normally he'd help me like bag stuff. I'm bagging myself currently, but that's okay because I don't really want to remove bus seats from the schoolies. So.
Yeah, I got really dirty today.
We're just taking turns doing stuff. But yeah, it's good to get some of that stuff done.
Yeah.
You might hear our kids. They're playing downstairs. Reese is actually in the room with them right now.
Babysitting.
So, yeah. If you hear loud sounds, that's them playing. But yeah, like Chris said, we're going to take them to VBS later, so they're just kind of relaxing right now.
Yeah, I have a doctor's appointment in about 30 minutes, so we're going to make this quick.
I'll pack these up and take him while he goes.
Crazy summer 2022. That's what it is.
So first thing I sold was this Duluth Trading Co. Skort. Kind of like a performance athletic type thing. This was a size 2X, which I think helped it, but when I looked this up before I bought it, it had a really high sell-through rate, so that's why I grabbed it. Paid $4. This one sold for $25 plus shipping, and I had a second one in a blue color a couple days ago. That one sold, I believe, for $29 plus shipping. They both sold within like a week, and they had a ton of interest like on all platforms that I listed them on, so I know Duluth Trading Co.'s a good brand in general. I normally find men's stuff, so I was kind of surprised by the women's and like skirts. In general, I would pass on like skirts, so I was surprised but happy with that sale. Oh, sounds like a Reese. Reese!
Reese, you want to come up and say hi?
Reese!
He's not up here. He hasn't been up here lately because we still have not brought his bed back up.
It's still down there.
Hi, Reese!
Hey, you! What are you doing? Everyone misses you. That's not here. So yeah, that was first class. So it is going in a shipping hip mailer, and I did want to show you guys. I had this pulled up. It's Wednesday right now.
Yeah.
I don't know when this video is going up. Probably Friday.
I'm thinking Friday. Yeah.
Which is the day that shipping hip. They are coming out with like their summer release. So I'm definitely gonna be snagging these like food truck ones and the strawberries for sure. Probably these cards as well. But yeah, if you follow Shipping Hip on Instagram, you can see more of the patterns they're coming out with, like this cool, like, what would you call that? Like a palm leaf, sunglasses, orange. I think those are oranges or peaches. So yeah, they have 9 new things coming out, which is probably their biggest at one time ever since they've started. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And I did want to bring it up because we have a code. If you want to use Ginger15, you get 15% off your full order, no matter how much it is, no matter how much or how little it is, they have stuff for like $10, and it's all free shipping. They don't charge shipping on top of their prices, so.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I think Kathy's the most excited about those strawberries.
I love strawberries. I just love food trucks too. So.
Food trucks, yeah. I don't like how expensive food truck food is, but it's always good.
Yeah. I just don't like waiting.
And the
like
wait,
outside, there's, food trucks, there's not usually like tables in front of them. And it's usually hot outside. I'm an indoor air conditioning kind of gal. All right, so these Merrill shoes, these I did pay $8.99 for. Sold them for $27.96 plus shipping. Those sold on eBay. eBay, I feel like it's been kind of slow, but today most of our sales are from eBay, so that's nice.
Yeah, there's been some changes to eBay recently as far as the promoted listing, right? Which it seems like anytime eBay makes a tiny little change, things go like bonkers, right?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I think you told me about the change. I didn't even know.
Yeah, I think they're making it a minimum of 2% on the promoted listings.
So now I'll probably bump to 3 because I was trying to be at 2, which is better than 1.
Right.
Because I do think a lot of people do the bare minimum, and I do think the bare minimum is better than nothing at all.
Yeah.
If they're requiring at least 2, I'll definitely bump up to 3. I've also been tossing around the idea of just bulk editing my whole store to maybe 5 to 10 promoted, and then just a lower sale. I always have a sale running anyways.
Yeah.
Just to like switch it up. When it's slow, I try to do something a little different.
Yeah.
So, haven't done any of it yet. I have been listing my newly listed stuff as 3% promoted, but I haven't updated the rest of the older ones yet. So, hey.
Get out of there.
Get in the trash. All right. These are A-Trex. I don't know if you can see that, but you'll see them on the screen. These I did pay $10.99 for. I've sold this brand many times. It usually sells quickly. And being sandals, I knew they would because it's summertime. Sold for $35 plus ship, and these were getting a lot of interest on all platforms. The $35 was an offer I sent out to a watcher, and they accepted. So, very happy with that. And yeah, I always pick those up. I'm trying to see. Okay, I did it 2 pounds, so that's a box. I think on this one, so these would have fit in a padded flat rate, but the person lived in Texas, and it was 4 cents more to put them in a box.
Yeah.
I just prefer boxes if it's not really much of a cost difference.
Right.
So.
The boxes are free too, so
Yeah, and I just think that it's like a better presentation than shoes shoved in an envelope. Like, I will put shoes in an envelope to save dollars.
The shipping,
but if it's 4 cents more, I'm gonna put it in a box. These are kind of a cool sale. I got these at a garage sale maybe last weekend. They're cute, like American Eagle sweater leggings, little dogs on them. Sold these for $23.96 plus shipping. I paid $2 for them at the garage sale. Are you trying to steal the show?
I know. He keeps licking himself, which I don't want to put on camera. So.
Crazy. All right, let's do shipping hip again. I've got so many of these. I've been making them through them all, though.
Yeah.
I need to, so I can use my strawberries. All right, BA all the way over here.
You can see it's been so crazy. We have yet to update our calendar. That's still April.
I thought about doing it the other day, but I'm like, do I really want to start in the middle of the week? I do feel better when I do it, though, because then I'm like, I know I've been listing, but I don't know exactly how much.
Yeah, we use that to track how much she gets listed every day, number and dollar-wise, yeah. Just as a...
It's been months, you can see.
Yeah.
Yep. Sales are... I would say sales are down, but I do think that's due to summer and a million other factors, but also when I'm not tracking, it's hard to say. Like, if I'm not listing as much, obviously, I'm not going to sell as much, too.
Right, right.
Anyways, I am still happy with what I am selling.
Yeah.
I bought these Converse at a garage sale as well, like, probably last weekend for $5. Sold these for $20 on Posh, so that is about $11 profit. I think that's pretty good for a kid's pair of shoes. Those are gonna go in a regional thing on Poshmark. All right, CB. This is a viewer sale. These are some Marriott, like a Mary Jane flat. Going out to Lori. Thank you so much, Lori. Bought these for $29 plus shipping on eBay.
Awesome.
I bought those for $9.99.
Sweet. Lori, thank you so much for that support. You bumped into the Reese guy. You're laying in the worst spot, dude.
Well, we took his bed away. What does he expect?
He's like, you guys called me up here and you're not giving me a TREAT.
I'll give you a treat. So.
Hey, what are you doing in that trash bag? He had a pup cup today, and I feel...
He had 2 pup cups, because I got him one, and then...
I made him one here.
So he's just like...
Are you like wired up on caffeine or sugar or something? And I'm wondering how much of the kid's lunch he ate, because he was down there babysitting, right?
All right, I'm headed to box. Oh, that's it for now, man.
I had him out there helping me with the bus, and he jumped the fence. So
He did?
yeah.
No.
He just went down to the
When
cul-de-sac.
you said you were going to have him out there, I'm like, he's just
Yeah.
going to jump the fence. I don't know how he still jumps the fence.
I know, you're an old dude.
You're going to be limping for the next day. All right, I did sell this. How do you say that?
Mowing, yeah.
Okay.
It's a valve stem replacement
Yes,
cartridge.
I got these at the bins. If you watched our bins haul maybe a couple weeks ago, I got 2 of them. They were different, but
Yeah.
that one, because we've been shipping, obviously we haven't been doing what sold every day. So the first one sold like right away within an hour of listing for my full list price of $20 plus shipping.
Mm-hmm.
This one sold for $8.76 plus shipping. It wasn't, I guess, as desirable, or there was more listed. So, but still, I paid $1.02 for each, so I'm profiting between the 2 of those probably around $25, which I think is
Yeah.
great. It was a picture of front and back. I copied someone else's title,
Yeah.
and that was that.
That's one of those things that when somebody's looking for it, they know exactly what they need,
Yep.
that part number.
And they don't really
Yeah.
care. They're probably going to buy the cheapest one that's
Cheapest
like new,
one. We
or-
do ship, usually every day, so they're probably looking at shipping because they probably need it now,
Yep. And well, we do have 2-day handling, but
Yeah.
obviously I'm still shipping every day as long as I can. I want to start doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but I just...
I know it's not a bad habit. It's a habit that you're trying to break, but you have a hard time letting go of that, right?
I know.
Of the
I just
daily
like shipping fast.
shipping.
I like when people ship my orders fast.
Yeah.
And if I
Well, here's the
can-
thing. One day later is still pretty fast, right? What do you guys think? What is your shipping or handling time
I don't think most people
out
do
there?
one day.
Right.
don't
I think we're
that's
probably
super
one of the only
common.
ones. Yeah.
So, this took a while to sell. It's a Gap flannel. It's like a vintage, at least I called it vintage. That's kind of a really older Gap tag. This had a wool blend, but it's like a flannel shirt. And this actually sold, on my end, it only sold for $21 plus shipping, although it's heavy, so the buyer did have to pay $8.99 shipping. But it also sold global shipping, so they're paying, I saw their full payment was like $59 just for a Gap flannel, which I thought was crazy. I did pay $6.99 for the shirt, so I'm only profiting about $10, but just that people, I think this was going to Australia, so people will pay for something that they want.
Yeah.
And that's why I love eBay, because it does allow you to ship globally if
Yeah.
you're in the global shipping. So that was cool. I'm just shipping it to Kentucky. They'll take care of it from there. Actually, that reminds me, the other day I had a global shipping issue, I guess you could say.
It got stuck up in customs or something,
Yeah.
right?
I don't know where it was going, but yeah, the buyer put in a request saying they hadn't received it. I checked tracking. I could see she hadn't received it. I didn't know why. I reached out to eBay for Business on Facebook. That's how we pretty much
Handle
resolve any issue that we need to
everything, yeah.
resolve. And then the agent or whoever was helping me said she sees it's stuck in customs, so she refunded the buyer but didn't take the money from us. We
Right.
didn't keep our money. Case was closed though, so that was nice.
Right.
Sad the buyer's never going to get their item.
Yeah, I mean that's the risk you kind of take when you're shipping globally,
Yeah.
right? So the nice thing about the global shipping program is they take care of all that. I think if we shipped internationally ourselves, we would have to kind of handle that, right? I'm sure eBay has some kind of coverage, but we'd have to try
The
to
custom, I know.
figure it out. So
Yeah, I don't understand how customs work.
this is why we've been putting off doing international
Yeah.
shipping ourselves because it's just so easy for.
Right. As soon as I saw that it was global shipping, I when I first saw I had a request,
Yeah.
my heart always sinks, and I was like, okay, it's global shipping, I should be good, and
Yeah.
they took care of it within.
Took
a
the weight
day or
off your
so.
shoulders. Yeah.
All right, I sold some Old Navy Rockstar jeans. These are actually my personal jeans, and I think I only paid $3.50 for these. I remember getting these at Salvation Army on a half off day. I did wear them a couple times. They just weren't a great fit, so I sold them on Mercari for 20 plus ship. So still making some profit off those. I do like the Old Navy, especially in the bigger sizes that have this stretchy pull-on waistband versus the zip-in buttons. They seem to sell really well. So even though it's just Old Navy, I probably would pick them up for $5 or less. Let's do Sloth that our viewer sent us.
The sloths.
Did I put the label? Okay. I sold a pair of Rothy's. Found 2. Did we show? Yeah, we showed these in a haul.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found 2 one day. The second pair's not listed yet. I'm actually going to list those today. But this pair was in perfect condition almost. Probably worn once or twice. Paid $7.99, sold for $71.96 plus shipping.
Ooh, that's a
within
good one.
A week, so yeah. Rothy's, even though like those might have sold for over 100 months ago, but still $71 in less than a week is really good.
Yeah.
Those are going first class. They are under £1. Do a floral mailer. Okay, a couple more. Box R. This was a Poshmark sale. It's gotta be it right there. These sold overnight via a Posher VA offer, so still using Posher VA.
Yeah.
Still doing well for us. Yeah, these are North Face shorts. I had them listed at $35. Posher VA sent on offer in the night, $28 with discount shipping and buyer accepted. So I had paid $5 for the shorts. Those are Posh. So we'll do a tie-back mailer. I've started liking these more, at least when I'm taking so much in the post office, they take up less space. So
yeah, it is easier to carry a lot of them. Although they do slip, so if you're like stacking them taller than a bag,
in your hands or something.
right?
This is a good sale. These have taken a while to sell, which I kind of knew. Play shoes, kids ones sell really fast, but the adult ones don't. But they are really expensive new. So if I can find them, these are retail arbitrage for $15 fine. I bought them, but it's probably been 6 months or more that they've been listed. But these sold for my full list price of $68. So it was worth the wait, I think. You can see I had another pair in that box, same size. So I think that's pretty good.
Yeah.
And those were Poshmark. I already have a shoe box here. So
Sweet.
just 2 left. So yeah, that's I would say this is what I hope to have every day, but like this summer so far, I feel like it's been more like 5 to 8 packages a day. So
Yeah.
if I can start getting back to the 10 to 15 is where I hope to be. We do have about 1,100 items right now, so
Yeah,
this is 11 sales, so I'd like to have 1 sale per 100 items listed. It's kind of what I want to be at every day. So
right.
yeah.
Doesn't always work that way, but that's kind of what we hope for.
Yeah.
So pretty good day of sales overall.
Yeah.
Kathy's gonna pack those up. I do have to run like right now to go make my doctor's appointment in 20 minutes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I think we're gonna end it here just because we gotta go. I know we have been posting way less than normal, but like I said earlier, it's been a crazy summer. Our kids are getting a little bit older. And last summer, I think it was easier to manage because we didn't have all kinds of extracurricular activities going on like we do now. We've got Taekwondo, VBS. It's yeah. Anyway, rambling at this point, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the amazing support, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.